Section 1. Preparing for the bath. Before you start bathing your dog, you'll need to make sure you have all the necessary supplies on hand. This includes shampoo, a brush, towels, and a non-slip mat to prevent your dog from slipping in the tub. It's also important to give your dog a good brushing before the bath to remove any tangles and mats in their fur. This will make the bath more effective and prevent any discomfort or pain during brushing afterwards. Section 2. Bathing your dog. When it's time to start the bath, make sure the water is lukewarm and not too hot or cold. Use a handheld shower head or a plastic cup to wet your dog's coat thoroughly, and then apply the shampoo. Be careful not to get shampoo in your dog's eyes, ears, or nose. Work the shampoo into your dog's fur, paying special attention to areas that tend to get dirty, such as the paws, underbelly, and behind the ears. Rinse your dog thoroughly, making sure to remove all the soap. Section 3. Drying your dog. After the bath, gently towel dry your dog, being careful not to rub too hard or cause any irritation to their skin. You can also use a hairdryer on the lowest setting, but make sure it's not too close to your dog's skin. Don't forget to clean your dog's ears and trim their nails if needed. This is a good time to inspect their skin and coat for any signs of fleas, ticks, or other skin problems. Section 4. After bath care. Finally, after bath care is important to ensure your dog stays clean and healthy. Check your dog's ears for any signs of infection, and trim the hair around the ears to promote airflow. Brush your dog's coat to remove any tangles or mats and to distribute the natural oils. Bonus tips and tricks. If your dog is nervous or anxious about bath time, try using treats or toys to distract them and make the experience more positive. You can also use a non-slip mat or towel in the bathtub to help your dog feel more secure. Some dogs may need to be bathed more often than others, depending on their breed and activity level. If you're not sure how often to bathe your dog, ask your veterinarian for advice. That's it for our video on bathing your dog. We hope you found these tips and tricks helpful, and that bath time will be a positive experience for both you and your furry friend. If you have any other tips, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more dog care content.